Hello everyone, how are you? Well, I am here with a mixed haul from Hobby Lobby. Some of this is for Valentine's in my family room and dining room, and a little bit is just for my house. So, let's get started over here. I picked up these two hearts on a stand, and I am going to alter these, and these will go into my family room. Then I picked up two of these votives, and I think I'm going to wrap some of my own, but they were on sale, so they're only $1. What were they? $1.50. So I picked up those. And then I picked up these gold hearts. They're scrolled. Thought those were really pretty. Then I picked up these pearls. Now again, I've said it before, and I think it was last year in my Valentine's Decor when I did my home tour. A lot of times I'll go into the his and her, the wedding section of Hobby Lobby. When Valentine's is coming around, you can use a lot of that stuff for Valentine's, and every other week it's 50% off, so that's what I do. And then this just was in the Valentine's section at Hobby Lobby, and this is a kitchen towel. I like that. My heart beats for you. It's got the hand beater. And then I got these roses, and I used my 40% off coupon, so these will be used in my family room. And then these scrapbook papers will be used in a couple DIYs that I'm doing for my family room. And you see the creams and the browns and a little touch of red. That is what my colors are going to be for Valentine's Day in that area of my house. This olive can was on clearance for $3. It was normally $11.99, but I got it for $3. And then I got a couple of the Exos, and I will alter these. And then these plates, again, these were from the wedding section, the his and her, and they were half off. And these are going to go perfect for my table in the family room. And then over here, I love these pearl lights. They light up, but how pretty for Valentine's. Very romantic. So I got a string of those. And then these burlap hearts. I'll use those in a DIY. And there's 36 of them. So these are going to work perfect in my family room. And then also they had these. And I'll use those as well in my decor. And probably in a DIY as well. And then they had the burlap table runner. And it was half off. So it has the lace sewn on. And this burlap's a little bit softer than if you were to buy burlap and make it. So that's why I went ahead and just bought it. Because not only for Valentine's, I mean, I can use it in my decor, because my decor is more of the farmhouse in the kitchen and family room. And then I got the banner to go on my fireplace for Valentine's Day. And then they had this grater, it's decorative. I mean, it's big. It's really big, actually. And that was half off. So that was $6. And then I got some of these because I'm going to use these in a few DIYs in the course of this next year. And then their ribbon was on sale, and this will be used probably in my family room for Valentine's Day. And then these also, I thought those were so pretty. So that is my haul for Hobby Lobby. So I am going to be busy with these DIYs and getting my house decorated for Valentine's Day. So January is going to be a busy month for me. Okay guys, you take care, and remember, the world's a better place because you're in it. Don't ever, ever forget that. Talk to you soon guys. Bye.